Anyway, what we've ordered, what we finally got around to ordering, thieves beware. Arr.
I've obtained a helper.
Hi.
So yeah. So what we've got here is the Vanguardian. I have a sneaky idea what's inside simply because I opened it up yesterday. So what you have inside is the tool for starters, and I only know that because I watched a few installation videos. It's the big sensor and two little ones, two remotes and some cleaning pads, and that's about it. And there's a tool and a keyring on the back.
So that's it then, guys. We've gone for Vanguardian. We did, if you've watched our videos before, I've said it before, but I love to do my research. So I did reviews, looked into other companies, looked into what was the best thing for us, isn't it? And to be honest, it was Vanguardian. So they were the one that best suited all of our needs. So let's go get it fitted, shall we?
Get into these, there's 4 little screws.
Guys, so that's it. That's Digger's van security system sorted. That's Vanguardian installed, and we're safer on the road.
Probably the simplest install I've ever had to do. It was like so easy, like literally Liz could have done it by herself without even me supervising her.
And as I said, that's not an insult.
Although we did nearly make a mistake because we did nearly stick the sensors on too close to the edge of the door.
Yes.
So just beware. Open your doors when you put them on.
Yeah, definitely. Open your doors and just
open your doors as you put the sensors on.
Make sure that you've put it in plenty of space. But something that we also did say earlier on was that we've bought the 3-alarm bundle, but we were debating about whether to buy another one. But we've already ordered a small alarm, a single alarm for the side door. And just to say on Vanguardian as well, because when we ordered it fairly late at night, and it arrived the next day, didn't it?
Yeah,
it was really quick. So we've ordered it. So so can't imagine that this is going to take too long to arrive. It's only down the road in Leeds anyway. But thank you, Vanguardian. And yeah, here's to full-time living in a super secure van. Thieves, beware.
So today's little task is going to be cleaning underneath the van, and I want to clean the rear axle and paint it. So let's get on with it. So the back axle being cleaned and painted, which I'll show you now actually, because it's great. And I've obtained oh fuck me, oh god, I'm down. I've obtained a helper.
Hi.
So yeah. So what we've also done now, we've cleaned under the van, and we're now coating it with wax. With wax, I say, wax. So that's the underside of the van there, undersealed. So it's took 5 tins for 5 aerosol cans, but it's nice. It now all has a nice wax coating. I'll give you a look and you can see what you think. I think it's really good. It should help with deterring any more rust. I've cleaned the rust off and undersealed it, and then we've wax coated everything apart from the exhaust, obviously. We didn't really bring you along for the ride because it was, to be fair, I've tried to record things when I'm spraying and you end up just like covering the camera, or yeah, it's just, the footage is just shit anyway, especially when you're lying under a van. But yeah, it's all done and it looks really good. Axle looks good, the back looks good, so I'll give you a look at everything. So weatherproofing the van's a job we've been meaning to do for a long time.
Yeah.
It's just getting the perfect day for it, that's all. Because we'd already washed underneath of the van, and we're just waiting for a dry day and a fine day to be able to get, as you've seen, to get underneath and be able to scrub what dirt was left and to basically wax it.
But anyway, guys, so we're now, if you can believe it, if we can believe it, we're less than 4 weeks away from moving into the van full time. We had already said previously that we needed to extend it just for a month, and that is exactly what's happened. We'll explain more on that later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, the house, as you can maybe see, the house is pretty much packed up, isn't it? We've got most of the things into storage that we want to. There's just the last few bits, because we're still sort of here, there's the last few bits that are still in the house. We still got the cars to sort. That's happening within the next 2 weeks. We're letting utilities. It's all proper happening. It's all proper shutting down, and we're just so excited and we can't wait. We really, really can't. So on that, given that it is nearly time for us to go full time in the van, you might be wondering what it is we're going to be up to. So we've got a few plans. First up, probably most importantly, is getting this one sorted again with a pet passport. Now, he had a pet passport before, but obviously since Brexit, it's no longer a thing. So looked into it, done some research, and Ireland is still part of the EU travel scheme. So what we're planning to do, one of the first thing that we're going to be doing is heading over to Northern Ireland. We're just in the process, excuse me, of trying to sort out a vet, and then sorting out the bits. It gets a bit complicated because you need to sort the vet in Ireland. You then need to obviously get his animal health certificate here and things here. But everything's very time and date specific nowadays. Plus we've got to book a ferry. So that all in is the first thing that we're going to be doing. I think we're looking at probably doing, I don't know if I'll say it right, I think it's Stranraer, so the crossing from Scotland to Belfast. Hence why we're looking for a vet in Belfast or as close to as we can. Yeah. So, guys, if any of you have used a vet in Northern Ireland or have got a recommendation, please drop it down in the comments below. We'd really love to know about it.
Yeah, definitely.
But after that, we've got a few other things which our Stephen's going to tell you about.
So we've got a few festivals or van meets that we're doing this year. Yeah. So first van meet we've got is in May, which is Campervan Camp Out, which we can't wait to do. No. And meets lots of you lovely people. Then in, is it June or July? July. It is Vanlife Fest, which is absolutely fantastic, which is more like our festively type.
Yeah, second year this year, first time last year, and we proper loved it.
It was great. We met loads of lovely people, stay in touch with loads of lovely people.
It's where we met Dave, isn't it?
It is,
It's where we met American Dave. Hi, Dave.
Yeah, and then we're doing Slumber on the Hummer.
Yes.
Which is a little bit special this year because we're showing Dignity. So any of you want to come and have a look around there and ask any questions about the build, that's what we're there for, basically.
Absolutely. Slumber on the Hummer's on in August. Also extra exciting. It wasn't sure whether it was going to go ahead this year or not. So we're really thrilled.
Well done,
and we know,
well done, team, for that.
Yeah, definitely well done. So we're really excited about that.
Right, as you probably noticed, we've been off our game lately. There's been reasons behind that. I lost a really important family member, and that was my stepdad. It was just a bit of a shock. So,
but that's the reason why we've been, as Stevie says, we just haven't been able to kind of keep on top of everything. We've been very busy, understandably, sorting all that out.
Yeah.
So thank you for bearing with us.
Cheers,
we really
everybody, for bearing with us.
Really
it's been hard. It's been a hard time for us, to be fair. And so.
But anyway.
Yeah.
On a happier note. We're just a few weeks away from what a few months ago was a complete and utter dream, wasn't it, darling? It was a complete and utter dream, and now it's becoming a reality. And we just couldn't be more excited. Especially. But anyway, enough of us waffling on. Let's show you how we've been making extra storage room in the van.
Yeah. So back in the van, this is the area I was on about. In here, oh fucking hell. What I'll then be doing is filling it with shadow foam to put some of the knives in. Because this drawer, honestly, this drawer is a fucking nightmare, and anybody who's got a van will have a drawer like it, I'm sure. Obviously the drill and the bits isn't in, so all that shit was just rammed in the drawer. That's the divider. I'm now going to cut some shadow foam to put the knives in. Got the inserts in the drawer. I'll put the inside back in the drawer. So everything's in. And the idea is to get them out. All the plastic wears underneath. There we go.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We're really thrilled that we've finally been able to get a video out to you. As always, don't forget to like, and please do leave a comment, because we genuinely love interacting with you all. And we're making some really good friends from this community. We said it before and said it again. If there's anything that you want to know about us, about the van, just ask away. Absolutely. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. We're really excited to have you along on this journey, and we're proper excited to get started. So, yeah.
Don't forget to smash the like button.